Monday, 3rd of February 2025, graduated the DeepSeek app to my iPhone's first home screen, coffees at the cafe, got my meds, very lovely pharmacist nudged me to find my concession card so I could pay the discounted price for my pills, had a bad vanilla slice scroll for brekkie. It's rare for those to ever be bad, but this one was. Played some nasty blues on the Anko guitar. The amp was putting out some nasty sound when I was playing it as the battery in it was dying. Went to the beach, rebuilt Luke's Rest. This third iteration uses some of the original timber is assembled in a simplified design. Hopefully it holds steady for a while. Went around to Worm Bay for a swim. It was bloody lovely in the water, not cold. A few good waves now and then. Clear water, beautiful colours, not crowded. I was in the water for an hour and could have stayed longer. It was so nice. I left at 5 p.m. so that I could go to the monthly council meeting. Interesting meeting, much discussed, some good conversation. I was excited to see that the community centre gardening and produce exchange was mentioned in the agenda and got a mention in the meeting by Councillor Redacted. Very cool. Rode home, had a beer out in the garden at dusk, had a phone chat with Redacted, nice to catch up a bit, cooked a disappointing pasta, just didn't get any decent flavours going, had a bath, snacks and reading, mood 8, energy 8, moods good, restful, good, grateful, lovely. Grateful hearing our gardening and produce swap projects mentioned at the council meeting.